great food in here.
It's pretty good.
You want to keep this bag? You sure?
Now you keep it for lunch.
Okay. We're here.
Thanks for dinner, Hesh.
Grease coming through the bag, as usual.
Chinese food. It's part of the tradition. What the? Whoa! Whoa!
What the fuck is this?
Come on, come on. Hey, where you going? Get out of the car.
Get out of here! Get out of here! Look
Open
at
the
Jimmy!
door. Open up, Eli. Get out. Open the fucking door.
Get out of here! What do you want me to do? I can't do anything.
Fucking Jew. Eli, open the door. Open the fucking door.
Holy shit! They're trying to burn us out.
Get out of the car. Open the fucking door.
Get out, Hesh! Get me alone!
Jerry warned you, Eli. Jerry fucking told you to stay out of Brooklyn.
What are you guys doing? You're gonna kill this guy.
Fuck you, Grandpa.